Yes, I got my Amazon delivery. Woohoo! Yeah, what did I get? Oh my God, I forgot about it. It's a slip cover. Oh, yes, it's a slip cover. Do you know what am I going to do with it? I am going to change the look of these old dining table chairs. Yes, don't judge me. Yes, they're old and they're gray. And that is how it looks right now. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. So I'm going to change them, put the beautiful linen slip cover on them and make it look amazing. Well, I got to figure out how to get this boy in it. Yes. Oh well, by the way, they're 100% cotton, and they're 100% cotton, and they're 100% cotton. All right, let's get it in. This beautiful slip cover. Let's see how easily it gets through. So the use of slip cover, I think the most important with kids and pets is that you can take it off and you can wash them. Voila! Yep, that is how it is. You can take them out, you can wash them, you can keep them clean. Your house will be sparkling and nice always. Yes, it would be. Maybe it needs a bit of ironing, but for now, I think it will do. So the fabric is like super soft. I need to use a steamer to just get all the creases out. And let's just tie the bow. Yeah, make it look all nice and flashy. Well, not flashy, but actually really pretty. Really, really pretty fabric. That's why I always go for either linen or cotton because they feel so nice. Well, not that great in tying bows. Maybe I will just do this for now and figure that out later, right? So yes, I think it looks really nice. It's just a bit crinkly, but I think it's going to be good once I iron it out. Maybe you'll get to see that in the next video. For now, yes, this is what I have done. I will do all of these chairs right now and then show you the overall finished look.
It's the end of the.
By the way, I'm calling it linen. It's actually not linen, it's cotton. Cotton is the best. Yes. The more natural the fabric is, the better it's actually for your skin, for washing, for the overall look. It feels really, really nice to have that natural look. Yeah, so stay away from polyester. Like literally stay away from polyester. Anything which has polyester in it is something which is a no-no in design terms, in every kind of term, I guess. Yeah, try to stay as much as possible with like natural fabrics, because natural fabrics breathe, they're good for your skin, they're good for the environment. They overall feel very plush and nice. And plus, you know what? Natural fabric, like especially like cotton, you can just chuck them in the laundry and man, voila, nothing goes wrong. Nothing goes on like forever. I have these cotton bed covers and duvet covers. They are like literally so old, but they go on like forever. And they are perfect. Just like, yes, they do crease up. So you have to, I never iron them, but yeah, if it's like a dress, a cotton dress or something like that, you need to iron them. By ironing them, I mean steaming them up. Who uses traditional iron nowadays? I'm actually waiting for those iron where you actually put it in. You put in your numbers keypad, and yeah, and it's gonna be done. Well, can you guys see me? Because I'm right here. I don't know if you guys can see me. color. Okay, this guy is done too. Yes, let's just get on with this guy. I don't know why I'm calling them like I named them as a man. These chairs, do they look like man? Please can you like comment below and tell me if gray chairs look like a man. There is definitely something about them which looks manly, and I like them now. They look more like feminine and beautiful, and especially when I have these crappy brown legs, which I'm gonna be covering them up. I always wanted to paint them but never got time to do it. So yes, now finally they're all covered up. They are super covered up. Next, and the last one, final. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Ooh, the final. The final. The final. The final one is here, and I'm gonna cover it up. So let's put all the garbage here. Get it done. Yes. So let's get it all away. And the final one. Yes. Let's do it. Okay. So always remember, the back portion is one single flat seam, and oh hello, right there. And the front portion is much longer. They won't get confused when you put them on the chair. What do you think? How do they look? I think they look really neat and clean. They look very fresh. It's not just because the fabric is brand new, but it's also because the fabric is pure cotton, and hence they're making the whole look come alive, put together, and also matching with my whole other aesthetic in the room. The gray will definitely not part of that. Okay, that's all for today's small episode. I know it was a small one, but that is for how you can change the look of existing furniture by just a quick small updos. For the next one, what I have in mind is that I got some cool stuff from a nearby thrift store, and I want to do something special and add my own touch to it and change the look of it and make it all contemporary and nice and fresh. So I'll show you how easily you can change these thrifted finds and make it look so special, expensive, all in your own taste, and it will be really cool to join me in that. So see you for that and for the next episode, and I will bring you something really special, so stay tuned. Take care.